Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y17 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, click on Allow in the pop-up and then also Allow in the second one. Now, before starting recording, hit those three dots at the top right corner and tap on Settings. Then you can check if your app is updated to the newest version for it to work properly. Finally, go back and to start recording, use this red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this button in the middle. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the right one. To listen to your recording, just click on it. If you wish to rename it, hold it. Click on Rename option at the bottom and type in wherever you wish to. Then select OK. If you wish to get rid of it, hold it again. But this time select Delete at the bottom left corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!